on the next Mackenzie stall.
We're destined to be together. Now I can never forgive you. You left the toilet seat up.
But I'm not the only one with a secret shame.
You mean?
Yes! You forgot to flush.
I can't hold it in anymore. Tell me the truth. Did you wash your hands?
Of course I did.
Lies!
Oh!
You're not welcome here, Mackenzie.
Why? Because I'm richer than you?
Because this is the girls' bathroom.
Why?
And your zipper is open.
Why?
The #1 show is now #2. Mackenzie stalls.
Starring Chad Dylan Cooper.
Cooper? Oh, it's on. Plunger!